Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So open any browser to type like that brother DCP-T525W driver download and installations. Okay, so you will get the result. This is support.brother.com, this officially website. So click on it. So different OS also there, Mac, Linux and mobile. So Windows 10. So in the Windows many operating system it's there, server also Windows 10 64 bits 32 bit Windows 11 also. So select the Windows 11, then click to OK. Scroll down, this is a driver and printer and driver for USB. Okay, so click on it. After that click on agree and download. So it will start downloading in the download box. You can see it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. So this is a 44.8 MB. Yeah, it is completed. Then click on this icons mean where it is downloaded. It's download in the desktop. Okay, just right copy and come on desktop, right click to paste. This is easy to find. Okay, then right click, then click to OK, open. After that it will extract and same folder. This is okay. Okay, click to OK, and now connect your printer to USB to your desktop and laptop. After that click to start, and then this is setting, then click Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, then add. So when you click to add device, after 5 seconds it will show manual options like this. So after this click on it, select the last, next, next. Okay, and have this to click browse, and this is the desktop folder which is extracted. Okay, open it and select this inf file and then click on OK. After that click OK. Now find out 225. So this is your printer. Okay, and then next, next. Now this is installed. Yeah, next. This is click to test page, but it is installed 100%. You can see this model number. But before using, both printer and system both required for restart. Okay, thank you.